So in today's video, we have the Zeesea, I said it right, usually I say Zeesea, but it is Zeesea subscription box. This is for April 2022. I did get it a few days ago, but I've been dealing with some little health issues and stuff that I just couldn't film an unboxing. So we have it today. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money? Because this puppy is $40 a month. Then keep on watching. Okay, really quick, I have been promoting my second channel a lot. Why? Because I'm really liking my second channel. I'm having so much fun. So I have a second channel, in case you don't know, it's called Just Anne's World. And I started these new walk-in talks. As I'm filming this, I already did 7 walk-in talks. And what I do is I take you to my local park. I feed the geese. Sometimes I don't. I do a lot of talking because I'm a talker. Nothing else is new. I take you to other parks or, you know, different sceneries in Jersey, and I plan on taking you all around Jersey, North Jersey, Central Jersey, South Jersey. I live in South Jersey, so I've been filming a lot of South Jersey. We're going to go to Atlantic City, Ocean City, Wildwood, you know, a lot of places, walk on the boardwalk, the beaches. So if that is something that you're interested, I will leave that channel down below. Anywho, Zeesea subscription box. You can see I did open this up because it's always labeled, like it doesn't say what it is. And I thought it was what it was, but I wanted to open it because imagine me starting my intro, Zeesea and all this, and then it's not that. So that's what I did. Like I said, this was $40 a month, and I've asked you last month, should I cancel it? And most of you guys said give it one more month. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, let's open her up. And it always comes packaged very, very nice. I do appreciate that. You always get some sort of palette, and I love how they package it because it does come from another country. So, I mean, they really package it really, really well. And then there's a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. Okay, and then the rest of the stuff comes in a bag, and like there's definitely more packaging. So we appreciate that. All right, I'll show you the palette last. You take everything out. So you get 5 full-size items. Okay, so the first thing is a highlighter. Ooh, does it say? Everything is in a different language. I believe it's Korean. So I think, I'm not sure. I could be wrong. So I don't know like what it says. It just says SO2. And what I do like about this, everything comes like wrapped with, what is that called? Plastic wrap, you know? So it's very protective, like sanitary wise. Sanitary, what? What am I trying to say? You know what I mean. Okay, finally. So that's what it looks like. On the back, I guess, has ingredients, but I can't read what it says, so. All right, so that's what she looks like. On the back again, I'm sure that's probably ingredients, but I can't read it. So let's see the color. This is gorgeous. Okay, you have a mirror, and if it ever looks frosty, you can you? Yeah, there's a little thing here you peel off, but wait till it looks like, I was gonna say a compass, but it's a clock. Would you look at the detail? Like, I'm almost scared to swatch it. Okay, so I'm reading it. Everything's made in China, so it comes from China, but the packaging, that's why I like this brand, because the packaging is so pretty. So I'm just going to go very lightly because I am too scared to mess up the formula. And let's see. Okay, so it's like a goldy color. Now, I didn't, because I was scared to mess that pretty packaging up, I only went very lightly. I'm sure I can make it more blingy, but I just wanted to show you the color. And that might be a little dark, but I think if I go light-handed, I can make it work. It's very pretty. It's more subtle, but that's what I like. I don't like that boom, boom in your face. My preference, so. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. Okay, all right. Okay, so the next thing is sunscreen, and I can definitely use this because of my walk and talks. And I noticed that like I was starting to get a little sunburn, even though I use sunscreen. But so this is from Honey Beauty. This is also what Zeesea carries, this brand. Yes, all right. I can definitely use this. So there we go. I think it's SPF 37. And even though I'd like to wear more, this is better than nothing, right? All right. So we have that. The next thing is the Nutcracker. I think this is their new line, the Nutcracker. And I don't know what this is. Oh, powder in O2. So let me cut the plastic. Okay, again, packaging is gorgeous. Wow. Would you look at that? It has a little pad that came with it, but I'm really impressed this month. I mean, and here's the little, like, you know, you push that. Okay. It has a little mirror. This has like the Nutcracker. You know, you would just peel that off. So that's what we're going to do. I can peel it off. Okay, so see what I mean when it comes frosty? I seen a few unboxings and they didn't realize that you could take this off. And see how it always has some kind of design? That's not powder. It's like a Nutcracker. I don't know what you guys can see. And all right, so then this is the powder here. It has a little case on it. And there we go. So let's see. Oh, this feels very silky. This is like translucent, I guess. And so it's very, you know what I would use this for? Under my eyes, to set under my eyes. And that's what I would definitely use. It feels really silky, like really. It's really nice. And like I said, it comes with this, so. All right. All right. I mean, I'm really excited about this month. Okay, so then we have this thing, and it doesn't feel like anything's in there. What you be? Lasting gel liner. Oh, Lord. I hope it's not in black. I hope it's not. I got to cut it open. All right. I'm putting on a sweat now. Okay. I think it is black. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. And let me do a little swatchy swatch. Oh, it's very creamy. Okay. And I'm glad it's not a liquid liner. I want to see if anything's on the bottom now. Only because I don't wear liquid liners. I don't really wear a lot of black either. Like right now I'm wearing like a dark green, kind of like a hunter green, like in my waterline. But I'd rather use this kind than liquid eyeliner. And that, like again, that is a personal preference. Okay, so we have that. And last but not least is the palette. This is what I'm most excited about. And I have tried their palettes because I think this is like the 5th month that I've tried this. And I do like the formula. I really do. Is it like my favorite? No, but I do enjoy it. And it's very pretty packaging. Did I get this one before? This is the Zeesea X British Museum. I don't know. It looks familiar with the cat. Let's open her up. And I'll go look at my other ones. I could tell once I open it up and look at the colors. Okay, so there is the packaging. Again, on the back, I'm sure it has the ingredients. All right, so I don't know. That's what it looks like. I don't think I did get this one. I'm going to go look before I swatch any. So that's what it looks like. You have one pressed glitter. And then mattes and some shimmer. So let me go look real quick before I swatch this. So I'll be back. Okay, these are the ones that I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's see. And no, I do not. I did get this one. This was the first one, and this is what it looks like. I mean, come on, this is just gorgeous. Then I got, this was the cat. Let's show you real quick. Got this one. Right here. I got this. This what I got last month, the British Museum in Zeesea. Was not the cat. I have not tried this one yet, so I want to try this. And then I got the Zeesea and the British Museum. That's what she looks like. And so this month I got the cat. And again, that's what she looks like. So let's do some swatchy swatches. Let me take this off and swatch some stuff. All right, I'm going to do just a couple mattes. This one feels really nice. The formula is a little different in a good way. Okay, so here's 4 mattes, just to give you a idea. All right, so that's just going in one time, and they do deepen up. I'll show you. Okay, so that's going in one other time. So they definitely deepen up. And I tell you guys all the time, I'd rather them be like that where they're buildable than if you go in and they're too pigmented, then a lot of times you just got to wash it off, you know? So, all right, let's do a couple of the like shimmer shades. Ooh. Okay, this one here is like a duochrome. That's pretty. I don't know about them. Let's go in. I'm going to see if they're deep, if I can deepen it up. Okay, I went in 3 times. So 2 more times, and they're okay. They look better in person. They're not boom. Some of the other palettes are a little bit better, but I haven't wet them either. So sometimes it depends on how it looks. Sometimes they perform differently on the eyes. Do you know what I mean? So, all right, so that's everything. Let's recap everything that we got. So we got this palette, which I'm loving the palette. These are usually about $30, and the subscription's $40. So really, you definitely get the value there. Okay, so we have a palette. I have a mess here. We have this Nutcracker powder, which, oh my God, I'm excited for the powder to put under my eyes. We have the highlighter. The package is just gorgeous. Love it. We have, what is this called? The SPF. Okay, so that's 4 things. And then we have the eyeliner. This is the only thing I'm like, I could have went without, unless it was like a purple or green, you know, a color. But I do understand that more people use black than anything. So I get that, you know. But overall, if I had to rate this between a 1 and a 5, 1 I'm throwing away and 5 I'm doing cartwheels, probably like a 3.5 to 4. I really liked it this month, probably because of that highlighter, the packaging. I don't know, but I'm not going to cancel. I'm going to try 1 more month because I am happy with this month's box. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Would you be happy if you got this box? Would you not? Do you think $40 is a little too much a month? I mean, I paid for this myself. So let me know down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know how your day's going. Leave an emoji. And don't forget about my second channel, Just Anne's World. Remember, I will definitely put it in the description, and I will pin a comment. And that's everything now. What? And that's everything. Now, I'm going to go film another walk and talk. I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my other phone. It's probably about 3 o'clock. And it's like 70 degrees out today in Jersey. Today is Sunday. And yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. So look forward to that. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most important, I just filmed my AI Beauty Blender, and I could not get a sentence without stuttering. And I almost did it here. I almost got done without stuttering. Let me try that again. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, God.